Decal. What's up, y'all? Jason from the Decal Factory with another installment of Raising Your Marketing IQ with Print. Today, we are going to talk about the decals that we just got in, that we just made. This is a very large decal, and I wanted to show y'all it. Okay, this thing is 10 inches by 72 inches. It's a big one, right? Print looks phenomenal on it, and you don't need it this good. Okay, you just don't. See that? Oh man, that looks so good. Those edges are so crisp. But when it's this big, you're looking at this thing from, the reason why they designed it this big is because people are looking at it from 100, 150, 200 feet away. I mean, honestly, you could print this at a 72 DPI and it would be fine. You could print this at a 30 DPI and 100 feet away, it'll look like it's beautiful. It'll look like what you're looking at right now. But this is the kind of quality that our customers expect. This is the kind of quality we deliver every single time. So I wanted to show this to you. This is a white vinyl decal, and it's got a lamination over it. As you can see, there's no difference in the sheen for print and non-print. In fact, I'll show you the white vinyl side. See? Right there, the sheen is the same there as it is on the black. So that's what the lamination does for you, is it gives you the same sheen everywhere. Gosh, this looks good. Man, we did a great job on this. Anyways, so there's that, okay? This is one of the large decals we do, okay? The other one is like this, right? Back slit. It's a promotional decal. It works well, okay? This one is a thermal die cut that we do for our customer. This clear part is the liner, or excuse me, is the pre-mask. This part they requested so that it can go in, so that they can apply it correctly. This thing, we actually went back and forth on the art a lot on this, just to make sure that we got it right. Okay, so there's that one. We also do domes as large decals. Okay, so that's a large decal that we do for a cushion company. Okay, there's that one. And so our larger decal, right? Be safe, dome decal. You can see the dome profile on it, maybe. There it is. Look at that. So good looking. All right, so there's that. Okay, and then this is cool, Andretti dome decal. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that. If you have any questions, if you want to get a hold of us, our contact info will be down in the description. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.